Hello traders, today is Friday, April 26th. We're going to cover the currencies, the EuroUSD and other markets using the Trade Scalper, looking at the signals, and really taking a look at how the software can be beneficial when trading and day trading. So before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So today we're looking at the market in the EuroUSD. A lot of traders use Forex and currencies, especially those of you that are international, looking at opportunities. The Trade Scalper uses price action and it can be traded on any market, which is a great thing. So far what we have, and I'm just go back here, as soon as I would say the market opens at about 9:30 New York time, we had a lot of short positions here. Now, the thing that I like to look at, whether you're using the Trade Scalper or your own methods, is whether or not we have multiple signals going in the same direction, especially when using something like the Trade Scalper, where we have short after short after short. So for me, this is a great way, maybe not right as the market opens at 9:30, but as we continue, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 short signals, and all of these signals are successful if you're able to get in on these moves. Some traders wait for the exact price, other traders get in right away. Now I do see here a long signal at 1.067, so going long here would have been a good opportunity, but if you're waiting for the next trade, wait until we have another long signal. Now you'll have two signals that are going long. That would tell me that we're now heading back to the upside. Now, what about targets? What about stops? When I think about targets and stops, I think about looking at a grouping of exit strategies. So it's not just a hard target or a hard stop. I like to look at getting out of a trade if it's a time-based element where 3, 4, 5 candles, 10, 20 minutes have passed and I'm still not making any money or break even. That's a great way to get out of the trade. Something else I look at is the ATR, the average true range, which I'm going to add here to the chart, the ATR, and the average true range here. Now the setting that I like to use is a setting of 4. So I'm only looking at the last 4 candles when it comes to the ATR. Now I also consider whether or not we have news events. So if there's a high priority news event when trading, it's always a good idea to give it just a moment for the news event to surpass, the market gets back to normal, and then we can trade accordingly and following these signals. So the Trade Scalper is a great way to take advantage of moves that happen throughout the day. You don't have to take every signal. Actually, I think that if you're trading 4 or 5 times a day, that should be sufficient. So we've already had, this is a live chart, live environment, live market. We already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just taking 4 out of these 5 trades and you're done, especially on a Friday. This is available, the Trade Scalper, for TradingView as well as for NinjaTrader. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com, sign up for a free member account. We do offer some free software for TradingView and for NinjaTrader, as well as some other things on the free member account. All right, now there's a signal to go long. Now this is the second long signal that we see here. This is a great opportunity here to go long on the EuroUSD. It's about 11.50, I believe, and this would be a long opportunity. The exact price is 1.06888. Now, if you want to take a look at the settings for the Trade Scalper include the option to show the text, show the double wick, first trade only. So this is if you only want to see one trade at a time as opposed to multiple signals when they occur back to back. You can change the colors, the fonts, how large, how small. A couple other settings here, which I think are important, is the ATR. The ATR tells me whether or not the market is slow or fast and whether I should be trading. So any signal that is trading below a certain value on the ATR will be filtered out. So you can see here that right now I have the setting set to 0. If I increase this value, if it's below a certain value here in the ATR right now at 0.00016, then it won't show you a trade. So I have it set to 0. Anything above 0 will show me a trade. The idea behind this is we're avoiding opportunities where the signal appears and the market is chopping or slow, especially on the off hours. So that's the reason for the filter. Avoid getting stuck when it's a slow and you see signals. They don't go anywhere. The market gets chopped up. It's a great little filter there. The style, the visibility, everything is configurable here on the Trade Scalper on TradingView. Now let's take a look at a different market. So for example, this is the EuroUSD. Let's take a look at the British pound US dollar. So the British pound US dollar, you can see very similarly has the same short opportunities followed by the long opportunities. Here you can see this is the British pound US dollar. Let's take a look at another one. How about we take a look at the Swiss franc? This is the Swiss franc. A little bit different. We have now long signals. They're all long trades here. As the market woke up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long trades. Now this is the first short signal here on the Swiss franc. Let's take a look at another one. We'll take a look at the Australian dollar, USD, very popular. So this is the Australian dollar USD, and you can see now this is also another long position. So the Trade Scalper is a great method to look at trading any market using price action and currencies, Forex, or even let's take a look at the E-mini, S&P, under futures, E-mini. This is the E-mini S&P. Long, 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 long. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. Pick up the Trade Scalper for TradingView or for NinjaTrader. Get a free member account where you can download some free software as well if you don't already have a free member account. And I will see everyone at the next video.